This is me, Jamaluddin, from 6th semester of International Relations. Today I am going to present my poster, which is regarding Vietnam War of Independence and what kind of role was played by United Nations. So first I am going to introduce what were the cultural background history of Vietnam. Vietnam was ruled by a French colonial rule. The basic thing was the people of Vietnamese did not want to the rule of French. So they thought it would not be an easy task to get freedom from the French rule and Germany. So they started a movement against them. A first war was fought from 1946 to 1954. That was the first Indo-China war. So then this country was primarily divided into south and north. This was basically the role of US and many other states. So now I am coming to the findings. What were the main struggles for the freedom of Vietnam? So the first thing is their nationalist struggle. The people of Vietnamese thought that it is not suitable for the people of Vietnam to live under the French colonial rule. So they started a campaign against them. So they started a campaign against them. The first war was the first Indo-China war. That lasted from 1955 to 1975. And the second thing was colonial background. They were living under a French colony. It did not suit them. That's why they started a campaign against them. Then there come Geneva Accord in 1954. It was the main thing that happened in their independence, and that divided this country into north and south. And the main role was played by international actors, especially United Nations. So the people of Vietnam did not agree to this. Now I am coming towards the United Nations role. The United Nations played a vital role in Geneva Accord in 1954. And the more thing they did not thoroughly support military aid and something else. So now I am coming towards the conclusion. The conclusion, it says that they faced a lot of struggle initially. Everything is not a special easy task to gain. Freedom is very hard. We can see from the people of Kashmir, Palestine, they are currently facing. They did a lot of work in this. So thank you for listening me.